Indian State Investigation Agency along with paramilitary forces continued raids on the houses of common people and journalists in the valley. The SIA and paramilitary forces during raids barged into the houses of Aruj Nisar Sheikh, Maisar Ahmed, Farooq Ahmed, Ubaid Ahmed, Rahat Farooq, Advocate Adnan Bashir, Mushtaq Ahmed Thokar and others in Srinagar, Bandipur, Islamabad, Shopian, Budgam and Pulwama districts. The searches and house raids were started a few days ago to harass the pro-freedom leaders and activists in the territory. All Parties Hurriyat Conference senior leader Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar has said India is trying to mislead the world and befool ordinary Indian people about the ground situation in the territory. Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar's statement came after the Indian Army's Northern Commander Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi recent remarks claiming that there was a perceptible improvement in the security scenario of the Kashmir after the abrogation of Article 370. If normalcy has returned to the Kashmir Valley, why India has turned it into a military garrison, he added. Jammu and Kashmir Pradesh Congress Committee has said that Bharatiya Janata Party is promoting hate politics to divert people's attention from its failures for the sake of power. President Waqar Rasoolwani, addressing a function in Kulgam, said the BJP government is responsible for the losses caused to Kashmir due to its wrong policies. Mishal Hussain Malik, the chairperson of Peace and Culture Organization and wife of jailed Kashmiri Hurriyat leader Mohammad Yasin Malik, has condemned the illegal detention of thousands of innocent Kashmiris, including senior Hurriyat leader Mohammad Yasin Malik and human rights defender Khurram Parvez, by Modi fascist Indian government. Mishal, in a statement in Islamabad, stated that Hindutva regime had converted the occupied Kashmir into a slaughterhouse and the world's largest open prison. An Indian army man died after being pushed under the train in Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The deceased has been identified as 31-year-old Sonu Singh, who was a resident of Balia in Uttar Pradesh. Body of the deceased was handed over to his family after the autopsy. Indian Special Task Force personnel shot dead two of his colleagues in Indian disturbed state of Nagaland. The personnel shot his colleagues during duty hours in Peran district of the state. Meanwhile, a group of villagers from Meghalaya burned a forest office in Assam's West district following killing of 6 persons in violence.